when you create hole and your n-gon lines are switched, yeah, my plane, switched off from in viewport, you can click to see the n-gon lines, but when you select the surface it's clean. You can't select these surfaces like when you use Boolean operation, and when you melt these lines, everything is clean topology. You can just watch n-gon lines, nothing more. I will show you example with Boolean and n-gons. Cylinder, yeah. Scale that a little. Okay. And Boolean operation, and I will show you why this is a better method. But this is Boolean method is more flexible. Before editing Boolean, I will show you. N-gon lines, but I can scale, or I can grab another geometry and place it there, but problem is when you edit Boolean and connect object and delete and see what happened. You have all the surfaces, and that's not best solution. You can just melt it, but previous method is quicker and easier, you know. And when you melt these lines, you see n-gon lines, but you have the same result when you create this whole method, like in method 1. So method 1 is very fast and have very clean topology and not so many surfaces.